In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Zoho books. Whether you're managing your personal finances or running a business, Zoho Books is a fantastic tool to streamline your accounting needs. Now, getting started with Zoho Books involves selecting the right plan for you and subscribing. So, let's walk through this process step by step to ensure it's easy and seamless. First, let's navigate to Zoho Books and open the Settings menu. Finding the right settings is your gateway to customizing Zoho Books to fit your specific needs. Once you're in Settings, look for the option that says Manage Subscriptions. This is the place where you can make changes to your current subscription or select a new plan if you're just getting started. This area acts as your control center for all things related to your Zoho Books plan. Once you've clicked on Manage Subscriptions, you'll see an option that reads Change Plan. By selecting this, you'll be presented with a variety of subscription plans offered by Zoho Books. It's important to take a good look at each plan and consider what features best suit your requirements. Maybe you're running a small business and need just the basic features, or perhaps you require some of the more advanced tools for managing a larger company. Either way, Zoho Books offers a range of plans to cater to different needs and budgets. So, go ahead and select the plan that aligns best with your business or personal financial management goals. After choosing your desired plan, you will be prompted to proceed to the payment stage. Here, you will confirm your subscription purchase. It's essential to have your payment details handy at this juncture because Zoho Books will need this information to process your payment and activate your chosen subscription plan. During this step, double-check that all your information is entered correctly to avoid any hiccups in your subscription process. And there you have it. With your payment confirmed, you are all set up with your selected Zoho Books plan. You can now explore and utilize all the great features that Zoho Books offers, tailored to your specific plan. Whether you're looking to simplify your invoicing process, manage expenses, or gain insights into your accounting through comprehensive reports, your subscription to Zoho Books will surely be a valuable asset in managing your financial tasks more efficiently. If you run into any questions during this process, don't hesitate to contact Zoho's customer support. They're there to help you and ensure your experience remains smooth and trouble-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you kickstart your journey with Zoho Books. Enjoy all the benefits of having a streamlined accounting process at your fingertips.